Good day everyone. Today I will share to you about the basic means of the cell as well as the parts and the function. Let's get started. Let's define first what is cell. Cell is the basic structural and fundamental unit of living organism. It is a tiny membrane-bound structure that contains the fundamental components necessary for life. Meaning to say, the cell is the reason why we form almost perfectly. Now, cell has a different part and I will discuss it to you one by one. Cell is consists of number one, plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is a semi-permeable membrane that surrounds the cell, regulating the movement of materials in and out. Ibig sabihin, may mga molecules na pwedeng dumaan at may mga molecules na nabablock. And ang function ng cell membrane is regulates materials movement, maintains cell shape, and communicates with other cells. Plasms. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance inside the cell where many metabolic processes take place. Its function is provide medium for chemical reactions and support cell growth. The nutrients we consume are broken down and absorbed into the bloodstream, eventually reacting cells. These nutrients can then be converted into energy, used for synthesis, and stored for later use. Is nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell where the DNA is stored. Its function is it can store genetics information, regulate gene expressions, and control cell growth and division. Yung possible na mga mamamana mo from your parents sa mother or father side, dyan yan na-store sa nucleus part of the cell. Number 4 is the mitochondria. It is the powerhouse of the cell where energy is produced. So in the process of cellular respiration, the mitochondria is the one who generates the energy. Number 5 is the ER or endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of membranous tubules and systems involved in protein synthesis and transport. Meaning, endoplasmic reticulum can synthesize and transport proteins, lipids, and other molecules. Number 6 is the ribosome. It is a small organelles na mahanap natin throughout the cytoplasms where protein synthesis occurs. It synthesizes proteins from amino acids. Number 7 is the lysosomes. Lysosomes is a membrane-bound sacs containing digestive enzymes that break down and recycle cellular waste. Enzymes yan yung nagtutunaw ng isang substance in the chemical reactions. Its function is it breaks down and recycles cellular waste and foreign substance. Number 8 is the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. It is a complex organelle involved in protein modification, sorting, and packaging. It modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for transport. Number 9 is the cytoskeleton. It is a network of protein filaments that provide structural support, shape, and movement of the cell. Meaning, yung cytoskeleton siyang nagpapagalaw sa cell. And cytoskeleton provides structural support, shape, and movement of the cell. And the last one is the peroxisomes. It is a small organelles involves in the breakdown of fatty acids and amino acids and also in reducing oxidative stress. Alright, that's all. That is the simple means of the cell and its parts and function. Thank you.